Chapter 13. M is R. Get set go. I am Yash. I am 6 years old. There are 6 members in the my family. I am very lucky to have such a nice family. This is Adi. We are friends. We are both fond of playing football. Learn with me. Read and understand. I am Aarav. I am 10 years old. I am tall and thin. I am an elephant. I am very big. I am fond of eating bananas. We use M when we talk about ourselves with I. We always use M. We use is when we talk about one person or thing. We use are when we talk about many. We also use are with you. I am, he, she, it, is, you, we, they, are. Now read what Manav says about his family. My name is Manav. I am 6 years old. My mother is a lawyer. My father is a doctor. They are very fond of me. Josu is my pet dog. It is white. It is quite big. We are all together at home on Sundays. I really like Sundays. Learn with me. Read and understand. The monkey is riding a bicycle. I am playing video games. She is cleaning the refrigerator. They are watching television. Note, I am playing. You are playing. He is playing. We are playing. She is playing. They are playing. It is playing.